China's contributions to innovation are legendary, from navigation to warfare to the first information distribution technologies. Today, China is on the verge of a second great innovation revolution, where Made in China is being replaced by Invented in China, Designed in China, and Branded in China.
I'm Robert Gold, innovation consultant, author, and inventor. I'm on a quest to discover the companies, technologies, and innovators who will propel China into the future. This is CTech. This week on CTech, can a new concept in personal and business automation change how we interact with almost every man-made environment? And can artificial intelligence predict our personal habits to afford us a more comfortable and energy-efficient lifestyle? Home automation has been around since the first TV remote controls in the 1960s, and business automation was actually started by Henry Ford with the introduction of his production line for his first Model T Fords. Business automation really came into its own with the production of computer-controlled robotic welders and painters, which appeared in many factories in the 1970s. Today, home and business automation is a multi-billion-dollar industry on a global scale. Thousands of companies producing countless products with the single goal of making a little simpler our lives and businesses. And generally, all these innovations operate within the same bubble of convenience. Now, in the small town of Changping in the city of Dongguan, in Guangdong Province, China, a revolutionary new concept in automation has been developed. Not just another switch, sensor, or auto-operating gizmo, but a new paradigm of how and why automation will interact with our lives, businesses, hospitals, hotels, museums, and almost every location where man is active on this planet.
The Smart Home Group, a dynamic mid-sized company which already has distribution of their personal and business automation products in over 100 countries, has developed the next wave in the automation innovation revolution. Called HSB, it is AI, artificial intelligence, integrated into home and business automation. Originally the stuff of science fiction, AI and personal automation technology are actually the perfect combination of brains and the systems which can use their intelligence. The Smart Home Group has developed an automation philosophy that is just 3 words long: Hi, Stay, Buy, or HSB. To understand how the Smart Home Group boiled down an advanced AI philosophy into just 3 words, Hi, Stay, Buy, we need to look at the company and its unique internal organization, operations, and products.
Smart Home Group, founded in 1986, is headed by a rather unassuming president, Tiger Chen. Tiger, can you tell me in a nutshell, what is your operating philosophy?
Simply put, the first fish is the big fish. We move fast and dedicate to creating cutting technology at affordable prices.
Very good, very good.
By the time the larger company copy our designs, we are ready 2 generations of products ahead, the design, the copies, and by our examples and our prices.
Can you tell us a little bit about your workforce?
We know that our people are the heart and soul of our business. Our work and management ethic is all over the office walls. We want to know if our people are happy, from the creative staff to the sales and marketing staff, right through the workers on the assembly lines and in our tuning shop. It is very important that the team has the right mindset every day. And if we are happy, then we need to know that the customers are also happy. Then we, as one team, are feeling that we're moving in the right direction. This is what keeps us rapidly moving with important products into a better future, and without fear, hesitation, or regrets, which often paralyze other companies. It is what allows us to roll out products so quickly and dynamically.
General Manager Jay Yi gave us a tour of their facility, which is one of the most entertaining and functional business operations I have ever encountered.
Jay, we're here at Smart Home headquarters. This place is unbelievable. It's not huge, but you pack a full production line with full quality control of every product. You have your own tooling room with injection molding equipment. You have a research and development section, and you have a smart home university that you teach distributors from all over the world that come in here. Tell us a little bit about this place. It's amazing.
Yeah, to control innovation, quality, and move quickly in the marketplace, we do the design, production, and assembly in-house.
Everything.
Yes, everything.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
Smart homes constantly invest in their infrastructure and people to ensure the highest standard in the industry. Distributors and people interested in becoming part of their global smart home group can come to their facility and be trained for free. They have groups from almost every continent showing up at the facility on a weekly basis.
A lot of that stuff is usually farmed out to other companies, but you do everything here, from the original design and ideas for the equipment right through to marketing and sales in over 120 countries.
Yes, from A to Z exactly, all here in-house.
Incredible. Well, I'd like to go on a tour of the facility, can we?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's go.
Smart Homes creates knowledge of their product applications by showing them in realistic environments. At their facility, they have created the Smartini Bar, the Smarriott Hotel Room, which also shows off a lot of products that are home automation related, and their own Smart KTV, which shows how their products integrate into restaurants, karaoke bars, and other entertainment venues. Each room showcases the unique functionality and design of their products in a realistic setting that allows people to experience how their products function in the real world. Soon they will have a smart hospital room and a smart museum room to demonstrate those market segments into which they are now selling their products. The artificial intelligence of Hi Stay Buy is going to be the new collective force that binds all of the other individual smart home group products into a new type of intelligent tech butler for homes, offices, factories, hospitals, and a range of other end-use locations. The HSB concept is being integrated into the switching and control systems technology of all smart home products. Thanks to the already established Smart Home Super G4 integrated bus system for connecting and controlling multiple devices and systems, the HSB AI creates a predictive technology based upon both a long memory and a moment-to-moment intuitive logic.
Hi Stay Buy, or HSB, in its simplest terms, are the moment-to-moment points in life when we enter, stay, or leave a room. Hi means I'm here, but I'm not staying. Stay means that I'm going to be in the room for an extended period of time, and I want to have all of the functions that have been programmed into it available to me. And buy means that the room is going to be left within a couple of moments, and everything is going to shut down. The air conditioning, the lighting, the entertainment system, so that the room is not an energy drain on the household or business.
Each one of these HSB conditions can be set by the touch of one button on the AI interface. Each condition sets the ground rules for how the HSB control panel will interact with the user. As the HSB is used, it learns the lifestyle and operating patterns of the people who use the system. The AI uses its memory to create predictive responses to provide the best scenario for the moment. The responses can be modified at any time by the user, which also helps the HSB to continue learning and adapting to its surroundings and the people who are there. Each HSB box is interconnected to all the other HSB systems within a given home, hotel room, hospital, or office space. The HSB system is a green technology which tries to save energy at every moment. The HSB controls energy use, air conditioning, lighting, entertainment functions, and any device connected to its system. Depending upon the selected mode, the HSB AI will allocate resources to match the needs of the moment while not wasting energy on items not needed. The HSB utilizes a unique heartbeat sensor which allows the HSB units to have real-time knowledge of who is where in the space it is monitoring. In homes and offices, this allows the HSB to divert energy away from unused areas and make sure that the location of the occupants receives the optimal attention. A simpler version of the main HSB unit is the people counter. This unit is more for public areas like hotel rooms and public bathrooms that do not need to keep lights on when there's no one left in the room. Additionally, many hotels charge extra if there are extra guests staying overnight in any room. People often allow extra guests into their room without telling the hotel, losing the hotel valuable revenues. The people counter can tell the hotel if extra bodies did not exit the room during the night and indicate additional charges are needed. The people counter can also tell if everyone has left the room, but has left a card in the door sensor to keep the air conditioning running. The people counter can override the door sensor if it sees that no one is actually left in the room. This one feature can save major energy costs for any hotel.
Tiger, one last question. In the simplest terms, how do you think the Smart Home Group is changing the future of the automation industry?
We're trying to create an affordable and simplified future for automation. We believe that the future is for everyone, or it is not truly for the future. This is our vision. Thank you.
Thank you for being here today. People counters that outwit energy-wasting hotel customers, heartbeat sensors that allocate technology and energy resources for optimal personal comfort and business functionality, and artificial intelligence that uses long-term learning and predictive intuition to enhance our daily lives. Yes, the future is already here in China, and it's being driven forward every day by innovators across this great country. I'm Rob Gold. See you next time on CTech.